Yes, guys, Etsy digital products that you need to get into right now. Let's go. So, guys, listen, as you know from my videos on digital products, I do like to look and find fantastic new niches because, look, digital products are massive, guys, as you know. And it's the thing to get into, it's the future. But obviously, you want to try and get into the niches quickly before it gets saturated, before anyone else gets in. So, guys, if you do like videos like this, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell so that you can get notified of more videos like the one I'm showing you right now. So, guys, look, check this out. Look at this ridiculous all in one digital bundle. This thing sells 40,710 digital downloads, guys. Isn't that crazy? Selling 40,000. They're making a monthly revenue of 17K. $17,702. Madness, right? Madness. But they know what they're doing, guys. Look, I'm using Everbee, which is my SEO software. You don't have to use SEO software, but obviously it does help. So I do have a link in my description for all my websites and softwares that I use. But what's interesting about this is because look, these guys are smart, right? They know what they're doing. Because look, I look for trends and I like to find trends because if you want to get into a niche, you got to find the trends really. So, and I've got videos on this as well. So check it out. So look at this 2023, right? Digital planner. I've said it before 5,000 volume. Look, it's trending, right? This one is a good one. You need to get into it. It's 2023, right? So you need to get into this one. Anything with the graph that you can see, the end, if you like, is lifted here, then you know that it's a good one to get into. iPad planner. Even an iPad planner is there. Um, you can see good notes. Undated planner. It's not so, trendy, but, it's steady. Good notes are steady. So that's what you do. That's what you do. You start looking at the keywords that people use and then try to use those same sort of keywords because what they do is they put the keywords here. Good notes is there. Look, digital planner 2324 is there, right? They put all the keywords. Look, iPad, good note. iPad is there, right? We saw it there, guys. We saw it. So that's what you need to do. You really need to make sure that you're kind of touching on these things. And look, the other thing about this product is pretty good because it's very clear. The clarity in what it has. Look, it shows you exactly what's in there. And I know it's a lot. I mean, this one, it's a big seller, and people do like to have try to get a lot for their money. This one's got nearly everything. Look, it's got a monthly plan, monthly review, monthly finance, just everything. Like, it's a beast. A little video that goes through how it all looks, a little nice, thing going on there, and it tells you it's got sticker, got mega packs, it's got bundles, right? Now, let's just leave that one for now, okay? But I just wanted to show you that how the possibility of what you can sell, okay? This is just, and it's possible, guys. Look, and it's 50% off as well. Crazy. Anyway, let's get back to this, right? So, you know what I like? Look, I typed in digital planners and then we got 472,000. Massive, right? I could never suggest that we go for this kind of, go for digital planners. You've got to go with a sub niche to get into a market like this. You got a sub niche, right? So, what I keep saying is there's ways of doing this. I could use my software, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to use a manual. Now, there's ways of doing this. You could either go one way, which is looking at the most recent, because the most recent will give you what people are starting to sell, the new things, the new type of digital planners, right? And that's what you really want to start looking at. The other way of doing it is when you just simply just start typing in keywords. So, for example, let me give you an idea. Right. I mean, look, my SEO software is already telling me Everbee that what the exact searches are. So digital planners and what people are typing in as well, guys. By the way, because it's also about what people are typing in. So some of these are quite are searched for, but it tells me the monthly searches. So digital planner templates 4,313. Digital plans for ADHD 603, stickers, good notes, and so on, right? It tells you digital plans for iPad. It's quite popular, right? So what I would do is you can see that it's all about typing in different words. Now, although digital planners has 6,000, this one 6,180 monthly searches. When I type it in, you'll see that the actual results, listings of results, is 69,000, right? So doesn't that just tell you straight away that although there's 6,000 whatever searches, there's too many results there. So this is telling me that this is a bit too much to get into, right? It's a bit too many. I like to stay within the 20,000 results because I know in that number I probably can rank. Okay, guys, don't forget, stay right to the end because I'm going to go through a few different really interesting ways how to get into sub niches, right? So let me carry on with this one. So digital planners iPad, right? You know, it's interesting, but it's too many players out there. So we got to like relax with that one. I'm going to start looking at different words, right? I mean, it might be stickers. Let me see digital planners stickers or planner stickers, right? Just looking at specifically stickers, right? For digital planners. Just let's say, just for the sake of argument, let me just see what the results are saying. Yeah, so results are still crazy. 110,000, right? I'm going to leave that. I'm going to go the other way. So for example, I know that, you know, for it might be for a particular career. So it might be a doctor's digital planner, right? Start going through the careers because that's also quite an interesting one. Going down the careers route is also very interesting. So you got this one that's at the top, right? Even though it's an ad, medical weekly planner, right? Medical weekly planner. This one has 1,110 results. So it's quite low. It's something that you could definitely easily rank for, okay? And then you start looking at it and you got these things. Look, there's a medical planner, medication tracker. Let me just click on this for a minute, okay? Don't forget, these are quite new. And these will be less, there'll be way less competition with these ones. But look, people like these guys, big players, they know what they're going to get into. So they're already getting into this. Let me see the listing. You know, let's see what it's actually, you know, selling. Just see if it is selling. Let's see how this one works. This is not too bad, guys. Guys, this is not too bad. This is not too bad. Actually, I shouldn't have done this one in the video. I should have just done it for myself. But anyways, look, 444 sales, guys. That's not too shabby, right? 444 sales, guys. It's a 13-month listing as well. 13-month listing. Let's see what it's let me just go down here and then I'll come back up. See this one, it's got 44 reviews. Okay, it's got 44 reviews, this particular product, right? Coming back. So now I want to see, this one's not bad, right? This one's quite good. It's an interesting one. So I'm going to look and see what it's doing. Look, medical planner 298, right? Not the biggest amount of volume, but if you haven't got a lot of competition, guys, then it's something to get into, right? And don't forget, we're adding up the tags, we're adding up the keywords. So medical planner, trend, medical organizer, trend, right? Wellness, we know planner's not too bad. Planner 2023, we already know that it's going to trend. Look at that, that's just going up. 6,000 results. Now what you do is you just put these things together on your actual thing. Look at this. So they've got digital planner, medication tracker. They're putting the template, wellness template as well to do with it. Guys, this is really, really cool, right? And it tells you, I mean, it's telling you as well, selling really well. And look, if we look into this, these are fully editable, I guess, Canva templates. Let me just go down. Digital download, they've got PDF. This is a fully editable and printable Canva medical planner, right? You know, come on. You know, and I know. If you don't know Canva, like, you got to check it out. Check out the link in my description as well. I've done a few Canva sort of template showing you how to do it. But look, let's just look at the templates itself. They're not hard, really, are they? What's hard about them? Nothing is hard about these things, guys. You know, literally, it's about, they've got emergency contacts, name, city, national emergency, just pharmacy. It's literally just typing stuff up that you can just adapt when you go to Canva. You know, look, medication tracker, insurance formation, emergency contacts, medical appointment, hospital bag checklist, house sitter info. You know, it's straightforward, and you know, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just see what others are doing and just do it in your own style, guys. Obviously, do it in your own unique way, but it's not rocket science. And like I said, you just go ahead to Canva, and you just do your own thing, guys. It's not hard, you know. Let me just go to Canva. I don't wanna dwell and be there for ages, but I'm just gonna, you know, just show you very quickly. You know, like it's just too easy. Like it's just the easiest thing. Now these guys are selling a lot, so this is a niche to get into. And like I said, careers is something to get into because everyone likes to organize, right? So let me just do digital planner because look, they're not going to have the niche of a medical. What you have to do is you have to adapt the templates. As simple as that. You just adapt the templates. So whatever it is that you think might look quite nice, you know, you'd actually use a, a, a planner, a type, customize it, and quite simply, guys. Come on, it is quite easy to do, and I'll do a very very simple step by step at some point as well. And you know, like even just to change it on in a basic format, you can just start changing, for example, colors, color palette. You know, if I start clicking on some of the color palettes, um, you can see already now, you know, that I'm changing it up just by color without even, you know, doing anything else. Look at that. I'm going to change it up now quickly. Um, and what you do is you start experimenting, see what works with the palettes, what you like, and then, you know, go for something that you think might be more a medical kind of colors, let's say, if you like. Look at this. You know, the kind of white, light blue, that looks kind of better. And then you start looking into the planner itself. And then you just, you know, type in whatever it is, uh, medication. Whoops. So let's get it smaller. It's too big. Make it smaller. I'm not even going to do this. I'm just going to like, I'm just really just touching on it. It's medication. Let me just go back to what it was. Healthcare. Yeah. So medication tracker. Sorry. Yeah, I'll just call it a medication tracker. And then obviously I need to sort out the actual, you know, the tables and so on. So it's not gonna be look, it's not gonna be hard to do. It's very easy, guys. Right? And then I would obviously, you know, download that, make it into a PDF or whatever it is editable, sell it. Right? Not hard. But look, we're all about niches, right? So let me go back because we know that it works. So medication, that works. Doctors. Now, it could be anything. Teachers, you know, teachers is another one. Teachers is also very popular. But look, we want to stay within the results. Like I said, low results. We don't get too high. So look at this, 10,000. 10,000 is good as well. I like to stay under 20K, you know. But obviously, if you can get even less, the better. Look, digital and printable teaching planner, right? Look at that. Digital and printable teaching planner. This looks pretty good as well, right? Another one to get into. Let me just double check this one actual listing sales. Let me see what this one's doing. Okay, the 35 not as much. Estimated revenue not as much. But you know, it's another idea. And then what you see is you see what's trending. Look, teacher planners are trending, guys. Look, 831 volume, but it's trending, right? Something to look at. You know, for teachers, you know, it's something that you could actually do. And like I said, you just look around and see maybe what's quite good. Look at this bundle. Teacher, they like bundles as well. If you can do bundles, they go a long way as well. Teacher digital planner bundle. Let's just very quickly analyze this bundle. It looks quite good. And on the offset, I like the images. It looks like it'll be quite attractive. And you can see 2,827 monthly revenue, 1,616. Yeah, not too bad, guys. And then again, go down, see what's trending. Teacher planners trending. You see that. 2023 digital planner. Good notes, digital planner. So what they're doing is they're putting all these keywords in which you can see. Right? Go back again. And like I said, it's about careers. So you want to do, you know, you might do financial, financial digital planner. Okay? Financial. Look at that, financial planner. Financial planner comes up straight away, right? A financial planner. Let's click that. Okay. Um, Again, what are the results? It's a bit more than I'd like. 20, I mean, as in like there's too many listings. 25,000 is a bit much than I'd like. I like to stay within the 20k. But look, these budget planners, these guys, these monthly financial budgets, these are also quite good. But obviously, you wanna see, you wanna just double check you can actually get in there. And I think you can. I think you can as well because it's not massive amounts. You know, again, you're sitting in a niche within the digital planner, so that can also work. And you got to see what it is that you want to do as well, what you like. But I do believe it's about having a store that has different types of planners, obviously, different types of actual digital products. To be honest, um, but this is how you would do it, guys. This is how you would do it, and this is how you'd analyze it. But like I said, guys, if you want to check out any links in my description, check everything that I do use. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna show you another video, and again go through some more analysis, guys. If you do like videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to check out my playlist and the videos that are gonna come up again, which I go through some more ideas. But remember, the takeaway of this one is look at the careers digital planners because they are really good. Take care. See you on the next one.